Yo, what's up everybody, it's CashGPT and we're back again with another video. We're diving deep into the top 5 AI tools that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. These aren't just some hyped up trends, we're talking about tools that real people are using right now to generate real income online. Let's get right into it. First up, we've got SEMrush. This tool is an absolute beast when it comes to SEO, blogging, and affiliate marketing. With its built-in AI, even if you're just starting out, you can compete with the big dogs. Features like the Keyword Magic tool let you find those golden keywords, the ones with low competition but high search volume. SEMrush's Content Shake AI helps you build out articles that are optimized to rank. Add in your affiliate links, maybe link to some digital products you're selling, and boom, you've got yourself a passive income setup that just churns. Combine SEMrush with ChatGPT to outline your blog posts after you found those killer keywords. It's a 1-2 punch that keeps your content human, engaging, and keeps that cash flow coming in. Next up, we're diving into MailChimp. This tool has leveled up with AI-generated email campaigns that are so good, you'd think you hired a professional copywriter. You tell MailChimp what you're promoting, and its AI takes over. It writes your subject lines, crafts the email body, even suggests the perfect timing to hit that send button, create a free lead magnet, package it up as a PDF, and offer it in exchange for email signups. MailChimp's AI then creates a 5-day welcome sequence that builds trust with your new subscribers and seamlessly pitches your offer. Use AI tools like Canva to design a killer lead magnet that pops. Trust me, your email list will thank you. Chapter 3. Fiverr AI, your shortcut to freelancing success. Let's talk about Fiverr's AI chatbot. This is your shortcut to building a thriving freelance business. The Fiverr AI assistant helps you build out your entire profile. It crafts the perfect gig description, picks out keywords that clients are actually searching for, and helps you set your rates. Not sure what services to offer? Just ask the bot. It'll suggest trending gigs and write the entire gig description for you. The AI walks you through the entire setup process so you can go from zero to launched in a weekend. Use Fiverr's search bar to check out the top sellers in your niche. Let the chatbot help you model your gigs after those top performers. Chapter 4. Durable.co-launch your website in 30 seconds. Durable uses the power of AI to create a clean professional website in 30 seconds. Type in what you do, and Durable's AI gets to work. It builds out the entire site for you, including the text, contact forms, service sections, even the layout. Customize the colors, fonts, and layout after it's generated to inject your own brand and style into it. With Durable, you can go from idea to fully functional website faster than you can order a pizza. Start offering your services, booking clients, or selling those digital products, all without having to hire a designer or learn how to code. Durable takes care of everything. Chapter 5. Pictory AI, turn content into videos without showing your face. Pictory is a game changer for all the faceless content creators out there. Take any piece of content, a blog post, an article, even a script like this one, paste it into Pictory, and watch the magic happen. Pictory automatically generates a fully edited video complete with AI voiceover, stock footage, transitions, captions, the works. Use it to transform your written content into short, engaging videos that drive traffic back to your website or offer. You can do all of this without ever having to show your face on camera. Drop affiliate links in your video descriptions or bio. Use Pictory to consistently pump out value-packed content that brings in those clicks and commissions, even while you sleep. Alright, let's recap real quick. SEMrush for content that ranks and earns. MailChimp to automate your email list and turn subscribers into buyers. Fiverr AI to launch your freelance career at warp speed. Durable to get your website up and running in seconds. And Pictory to dominate the video world without ever showing your face. Mix and match these tools to create a true digital income powerhouse. These tools are real, they're accessible, and most importantly, they work. You just need the right tools and the consistency to use them.